Hi, I'm Niki Seberini, the Mind Freedom Fighter, and I want to talk about happiness because it's something that we all want, to be happy. So I have to mention some interesting research that came out of Harvard conducted by Killingsworth and Gilbert, and what they found was that when we are lost in thought and when we come back to the present moment, we are less happy when we come back. In other words, mind wandering causes unhappiness. Now, this is when it gets really interesting, because what they also found was that 47% of our day we are lost in thought. That means for nearly half of our lives, we just don't show up. I mean, we're there physically, but no one's really home. And when we come back, we're unhappy. When you look back on your life, those moments that stand out are usually the moments where you were fully immersed in the present moment. Don't you want more of those moments in your life? Don't you want to show up for your life and not spend it, most of it, lost in thought? Well, you absolutely can. Life is too short to be lost in thought. So why don't you change it? Learn to cultivate concentration and focus in the present moment. And you can do it through mindfulness. I'm running a half-day mindfulness workshop. So what we're going to cover is what mindfulness is all about, how the brain works, the neuroscience, what to do with our thoughts when we're meditating, how to stay in the present moment, how to integrate mindfulness into our everyday lives. And then what we get to do is cultivate happiness from within. We learn to modulate and manage our emotions. We are able to reduce our stress levels. And in so doing, we can boost our immune system and lower our blood pressure. And really what we get to see is that it is available to everyone. Everyone can do it. As Killingsworth said, the human mind is a wandering mind, and a wandering mind is an unhappy mind. So learn to cultivate a mind that can be focused and present in this moment. And we can all do it through mindfulness. So please join me for my mindfulness workshop. All the details are below, and I really hope to see you there.